Good day, I'm your TL teacher, Mr. Justine C. Montoya. Just learn.
Good day. At the end of this video lesson, I am expecting that you should be able to number 1. Explain different basic cooking techniques and their procedures. Number 2. Identify some examples of food using basic cooking techniques and their procedures.
A few reminders before we start. Number 1. Watch and listen carefully. Number 2. Take down notes. Number 3. Pause and play the video for better understanding. Number 4. Replay this video for clear concepts. And of course, number 5. Enjoy learning. So let's start.
Cooking is a major task that happens for a day that requires planning, suited for any given budget. Purchasing the goods is necessary for you to cook, based on the recipe provided. Appropriate cooking methods may be used for meat, fish, poultry, and vegetables to come up with a very sumptuous dish served at your dining table. Cooking is the act of using heat to prepare food for consumption. Cooking techniques are classified into moist heat method, dry heat method, and combination method. So now, let us discuss the moist heat method. Moist heat method, liquid is used as a medium to cook the food. So we have boiling, blanching, deep poaching, pan steaming, steaming, parboiling, poaching, pressure cooking, simmering, and shallow poaching. Boiling, water is added to food and it is then cooked over the fire. Blanching is a cooking process in which food is slightly cooked in boiling water, then plunged into ice water or cold running water to stop the cooking process. Deep poaching is a cooking process of fully submerging the food item into the boiling water that holds the food, liquid, and aromatics comfortably. Pan steaming, it cooks food by placing them directly in a liquid. Steaming, water is added to a pot. The water level should be under, allowing food to stand while heat is applied. Parboiling is the partial boiling of food. Poaching is cooked without the need of fat or oil. Submerged in the hot liquid requires gentle cooking. Pressure cooking is the process of cooking food at high pressure of water. Simmering is a gentle method of cooking foods below the boiling point that produces tiny bubbles. Shallow poaching. And now, let us discuss the dry heat method. It is a process of cooking food using heat. Example of these are frying, pan frying, shallow frying, deep fat frying, sautéing, stir frying, dry fry, griddle, barbecuing, baking, broiling, pan broiling, grilling, and roasting. Frying, simply browning and heating through a very hot fat. Pan frying, using a minimal amount of cooking oil or fat to lubricate the pan. Shallow frying, food is cooked in a frying pan with a little amount of oil or fat, turned over a few minutes or stirred a couple of times before it is cooked. Deep fat frying, food is cooked in a very large amount of oil or fat, heated to the boiling point. Sautéing. Food is cooked over a hot burner using a small amount of oil or fat to coat food for even browning. Stir frying. All the ingredients are fried in a small amount of very hot oil while being stirred in a wok. Dry fry. Cooks in a shallow pan with a very small amount of fat that should be done rapidly and frequently shaken to prevent sticking and burning. Griddle. Using a cooking device with a broad, flat surface heated by gas, electricity,